All right, here we are. Mr. Price, how you doing this afternoon? We're at the 2022 Blade Show. I want to show you guys our curved OTF, the Ruck. I brought 50 prototypes to the show. They were sold out immediately. This guy actually works on a curve. It does not come out on an angle. To my knowledge, it's the first curved double action American-made OTF. Correct me if I'm wrong. These will feature LMAX hand ground blades on the prototypes, aircraft grade anodized aluminum, and a flame titanium clip. Production pieces will probably hit sometime around mid to late August 2022. And that's what's new for Blade Show on this particular piece. I also want to show you guys our modular push dagger. So this right here was originally a Steve Ryan design. We acquired the design and the tooling for the mold months back at the beginning of the year. So you'll take the blade and you'll remove it from the push dagger handle, and you could attach it to the knife accessory handle, and it just fit here, and you reattach it with the 3 screws, and you go from push dagger to knife handle in the same sheath on the same getup. Even though this one doesn't have a blade, it still kind of, it locates off this this little notch right here on the handle. So those are the 2 new pieces we have here at Blade Show 2022. The push dagger retails for $195, and have them available right after the show.
Terrific. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Could you open and close this close to that mic?
Right here. We'll do it like this. Bam.